This critical, trendy, crazy topic about using beef tallow in skincare. Yes, the same ingredient historically used in kitchens is now being recognized as the new skincare moisturizing miracle. Is that true or a myth? What are the precautions and contraindications of using it in your skincare routine? How to use it, when, and how to make it. Many more questions will be answered by Dr. Lola from a medical point of view, your trusted source for skincare insights rooted in science and tradition. So, what exactly makes it so special? Let's learn about the fascinating science behind it and see if it's the right choice for your skincare routine or not. To start, let's understand what beef tallow is. Beef tallow is the rendered fat derived from cow adipose tissue. The rendering process involves heating the fat gently until it liquefies, removing impurities, and solidifying it into a clean, versatile product. While it has a long history in cooking, its use in skincare is gaining momentum due to its unique properties and compatibility with human skin. From a chemical standpoint, beef tallow is rich in fatty acids such as stearic acid, oleic acid, and palmitic acid. These are not just any fatty acids, they are key components of the skin's lipid barrier, making beef tallow remarkably aligned with what our skin naturally needs. One of the standout features of beef tallow is its nutrient profile. It is a rich source of fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K. Let's break these down. Vitamin A, retinol and retinol esters. Benefits: promotes cell turnover, helping to renew the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Supports the production of collagen, improving skin elasticity and firmness. Helps in treating acne by reducing oil production and preventing clogged pores. Reduces hyperpigmentation and evens out skin tone by regulating melanin production. Strengthens the skin's natural barrier, enhancing its ability to retain moisture. Uses: found in tallow-based creams or balms to reduce signs of aging and repair sun-damaged skin. Helps soothe and treat acne-prone skin by regulating cell regeneration and oil production. Vitamin D, cholecalciferol. Benefits: acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, calming irritated or inflamed skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. Supports the skin's ability to heal wounds and repair itself after damage. Enhances skin barrier function, improving moisture retention and reducing dryness. Uses: often incorporated into tallow-based skincare products to combat dryness and soothe inflammatory skin issues. Applied to areas prone to irritation or flaking for enhanced hydration and healing. Vitamin E, tocopherols. Benefits: a powerful antioxidant that protects skin from oxidative damage caused by UV rays and environmental stressors. Promotes skin healing, reducing the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Improves hydration and elasticity, keeping the skin soft and supple. Reduces redness and soothes irritation, aiding in the recovery of damaged skin. Uses: found in tallow-based moisturizers to repair dry, cracked, or damaged skin. Used as an ingredient in anti-aging formulations to protect against premature wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin K, K2, menaquinone. Benefits: reduces the appearance of dark circles and under-eye puffiness by improving blood circulation. Enhances skin elasticity, making it firmer and less prone to sagging. Speeds up the healing of minor wounds, cuts, and bruises by supporting skin repair processes. Helps minimize spider veins and redness caused by broken capillaries. Uses: included in tallow-based under-eye creams to diminish dark circles and puffiness. Used in balms for areas prone to redness or irritation, such as around the nose or cheeks. In addition to these vitamins, the fatty acids in beef tallow closely mimic the natural sebum produced by human skin. This structural similarity facilitates better absorption, enhancing its effectiveness as a moisturizer and protective barrier. So, why does beef tallow work that well with human skin? To appreciate why beef tallow is gaining popularity, we need to understand the composition of human skin. Our skin's outermost layer, the stratum corneum, is composed of corneocytes held together by a lipid matrix. This matrix is made up of ceramides, cholesterol, and free fatty acids. Interestingly, the fatty acids in beef tallow, particularly stearic and oleic acids, are strikingly similar to the free fatty acids in this lipid matrix. This compatibility makes beef tallow highly effective in replenishing and fortifying the skin barrier, especially for individuals with dry, damaged, or compromised skin. By strengthening the lipid barrier, beef tallow helps the skin retain moisture, reduces transepidermal water loss, and provides a natural shield against environmental stressors. Now let's discuss the practical applications of beef tallow in skincare routines. Incorporating beef tallow into your skincare routine can be both simple and versatile. It works wonderfully as a standalone moisturizer, a soothing balm for dry patches, or as a base for custom formulations. For a personalized touch, consider blending it with essential oils. For instance, lavender oil can add calming properties, while tea tree oil can offer antibacterial benefits. The result? A tailor-made skincare solution that's as unique as your skin. This is the most important recommendations for safe and effective use. When choosing beef tallow, quality is paramount. Look for grass-fed organic sources to ensure that the tallow is free from harmful additives and packed with nutrients. Start with a small amount to test for any sensitivity, especially if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Patch testing is crucial. Apply a small amount on your forearm and wait 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions. If your skin responds well, you can gradually incorporate it into your routine. Those are the potential alternatives for ethical or dietary concerns. Plant-based alternatives like shea butter, cocoa butter, and jojoba oil are excellent for those who prefer not to use animal-derived products. These ingredients offer similar moisturizing and healing benefits, making them suitable for a variety of skin types. While these alternatives may lack certain nutrients found in beef tallow, they are widely available and cater to vegan and ethically conscious lifestyles. Beef tallow is amazing, isn't it? Yet there are a few precautions and cautions for the use. Before embracing beef tallow as a skincare staple, it's important to consider a few precautions. While it's generally well tolerated, its richness can be overwhelming for those with oily or acne-prone skin. Excessive use might clog pores or exacerbate breakouts. Always prioritize sourcing. Non-organic or conventionally produced tallow may contain residues from hormones or feed additives. To ensure safety, opt for grass-fed and responsibly processed products. And as always, consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns, especially if you're dealing with specific skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis. Now, let's learn the right way to create beef tallow cream and balm for skin, and learn about the oils to use. Subscribe to be notified with the upcoming interesting video. Here's a simple guide to making beef tallow skin balm at home. Let's start with the main ingredients. Beef tallow, rendered. 1 cup. Grass-fed tallow is ideal for maximum vitamin content and purity. Carrier oil, 2 to 4 tablespoons, e.g. jojoba oil, olive oil, or sweet almond oil for added moisture. Essential oils, optional, 10 to 15 drops, e.g. lavender for soothing effects or tea tree oil for its antibacterial properties. Vitamin E oil, optional, 5 to 10 drops, acts as a natural preservative and adds extra antioxidant benefits. Now here are the tools you will need: double boiler or heat-safe bowl over a pot of simmering water. Clean jar or container for storage, preferably glass. Spoon or spatula for mixing. Measuring cups and spoons. Here's the exact steps to make the perfect balm. Melt the tallow. Place the tallow in a double boiler and heat gently until fully melted. Avoid overheating to preserve nutrients. Mix in carrier oil. Once the tallow is melted, stir in your chosen carrier oil. The oil softens the balm, making it easier to apply. Add essential oils and vitamin E. Remove the mixture from heat and allow it to cool slightly but remain liquid. Stir in essential oils and vitamin E oil, if using. Pour the liquid balm into your clean jar or container. Be careful to leave some space at the top for expansion. Let it set. Allow the balm to cool and solidify at room temperature. For faster setting, place the container in the refrigerator. Store the balm in a cool, dry place. It can last for several months to a year if kept away from direct sunlight and heat. So the key takeaways are: beef tallow in skincare, an age-old ingredient rediscovered for modern needs. Whether you're intrigued by its nutrient-rich profile or looking for a natural alternative to synthetic products, it's worth exploring. Let us know your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more scientifically backed skincare tips. Until next time, take care of your skin and stay radiant.